Welcome to Smart Talk that elevates your mind. Today we're diving into one of the biggest challenges English learners face, that is, thinking in English. If you're translating in your head before speaking, it's slowing you down. But don't worry. Today, we'll explore why this happens and how you can train yourself to think in English naturally. Stay tuned for some fun exercises and expert tips. Let's start with this question. Why do so many learners translate from their native language before speaking English?
It's actually natural. When we learn a new language, we rely on our mother tongue as a base. But the problem is, languages don't always translate word for word. This slows you down and sometimes causes awkward sentences.
Exactly. Imagine you're in a conversation, and instead of replying instantly, your brain is doing this: think in your native language. Translate into English. Check if the sentence is correct. Then finally, speak. That's a long process, isn't it? No wonder some people struggle with fluency. So, what's the solution? Simple. Train your brain to think in English directly. No more middle steps. Here's why it works. Faster response time in conversations. More natural expressions instead of word-for-word translations. Increased confidence, because you stop doubting every word you say.
Right? The more you immerse yourself in English, the more automatic it becomes. It's just like riding a bike. At first, you need to think about balance, but with practice, it happens naturally.
That's a great analogy. But the big question is, how do we train our brain to think in English? Let's get into it. Here are 5 simple yet powerful exercises you can start using today. Number 1. Name everything around you. Example, instead of thinking, "This is a table," in your native language first, just say, "This is a table," in English directly. Do this while walking, shopping, or even cooking. Number 2. Talk to yourself in English.
It may sound funny, but trust me, it works. Try describing what you're doing. I'm making coffee. Now, I'm adding sugar. This builds fluency without pressure.
Exactly. And if you don't know a word, describe it in English instead of switching to your native language. Now, number 3. Set your phone and apps to English. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone, social media, and even GPS to English. This forces your brain to process English daily. Number 4. Watch and think in English. Watch English content, but pause and repeat sentences. Try to predict what comes next. This helps your brain form English thoughts faster. And finally, number 5. Use the 5-minute English diary method.
This is a game changer. Every night, write a short journal entry only in English. It could be about your day, thoughts, or plans. This builds thinking and writing skills together.
I love that one. Even voice notes work. Record yourself speaking about your day and listen back. One last thing, don't aim for perfection. Mistakes are part of learning. If you overthink every sentence, you'll slow yourself down.
Absolutely. Even native speakers make mistakes. The goal is communication, not perfection. The more you practice, the smoother your thoughts will flow.
Well said. So, to all our listeners, stop translating, start thinking in English, and see how your fluency improves. That's it for today's episode of the Smart Talk. If you found these tips helpful, try them out today and let us know how it goes.
And remember, fluency is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, and you'll get there.
Before we go, Make sure to subscribe to the podcast, share this episode with a friend, and leave a review. We'll be back with more powerful tips next time. Until then, think in English and keep growing.